Good morning, guys. It is Friday, March 12th. We are going to go over our warm-up. Then I'm going to walk you through what we are doing today. So today's warm-up is a true or false question. A person's characteristics can be determined by an interaction between genes and the environment. If you were working through key terms, you might have come across this as well. But if you look in section 5.1, page 150 in our textbook, or you can look up this question, you will find the answer. So again, true or false, a person's characteristics can be determined by an interaction between genes and the environment. Once you have today's warm-up question answered, please make sure you have all other days answered and filled out, and then you are submitting your week 27 warm-up. And we're going to go over to Schoology and walk through today's work. All right, on Schoology, in today's folder, you are going to be finishing up the Chapter 5 key terms from yesterday and then working on guided reading notes today. The other thing, I will have a Chapter 5 key terms answer check video that will be available at noon today, so it gives you a little bit of time to finish those up and get those submitted. If you need to finish your Chapter 4.3, 4.4 quiz, that is due today. If you didn't get that from Wednesday, so please make sure you're getting all of that done. I'm working on updating grades, so things will be going into Sapphire as well. But if you click on today's folder, you will have the 5.1 guided reading assignment. So if you click on that, you'll make a copy of the document, and then that will look like this. So you're going to work through the guided reading notes using the 5.1 section of our textbook. I give you the page numbers for each of those sections, and the questions in that section you'll read through and answer. When you get to question 4 here about the blood types, you're going to be looking at figure 3 on the left-hand side of page 146, and you're just typing in the combination of alleles for those different blood types. Now, I gave you an example here for A, so it's not quite the same as what the actual combination of alleles looks like, but if you type it in like this, that's fine, as long as you type in like the correct order and things like that. If you want, you can highlight this and then Control C and then Control V in the next spot to copy and paste it, and then just change the A or B letters that you need to make it a little bit easier so you don't have to figure out how to type it in. Once you have that filled out, you'll continue answering the questions, then move on to the next section. Following those pages, answer those questions. Remember that if you have these little highlighted spaces, you're clicking behind it, and then you can type in your word, or you can backspace it and type in your word as well. Then as we go through, you're going to finish out that section, and then the last little itty bitty section here has 2 questions. Once you get your guided reading notes done, please make sure you submit them. We will go over them on Monday, so you have the weekend to kind of get them finished, and then there'll be a video check in Monday's folder for the guided reading notes as well. If you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, make sure you're getting things turned in. Make sure you get that quiz done from this week, and have a good weekend.